Hi Ray, so I'd like to rehash a query that I had before, the lat long coordinates. So if I click on this one here, the zoom lat long field here, I'd like to have somewhere in the back end of MapPress here, if I click on a region of the map, here or anywhere, if I can have a readout of the lat long in a format that I can just copy and paste into the zoom lat long field, that would be great. And what that is meant to do is, let's say I had a marker over here, and all of these markers were related to the Scenic Gem page of Bright. Now when I zoom in, so if I'm out here and I click the zoom in button and it zooms in, currently it will zoom in on that region marker there, so it may end up looking like this now in a person's viewport. Now if I had a marker over here and it was zooming into here, this marker over here, if it was zoomed into here, wouldn't be in the screen. So that's what the lat long condition is for, so that upon clicking zoom in or zoom out at the satellite visibility level, I have the extra ability to center the map about there if a marker was over there, so that all of them are seen. Yeah, if that could be implemented, that'd be great. Thank you.